Lagos, typically a bustling metropolis, takes on a serene and peaceful atmosphere during the Christmas season after many Igbo residents travel back to their hometowns in the southeastern part of Nigeria. The usually congested streets are now relatively empty, with fewer cars and pedestrians. The sounds of honking horns, chatter, and music that fill the air are significantly reduced, replaced by an eerie silence. Marketplaces, like Balogun Market and Aloba International Market, which are normally filled with shoppers and traders, are less crowded. Some shops and stalls are closed, while others operate on reduced hours. The atmosphere is more relaxed, with a sense of calmness pervading the city. It's a rare opportunity for Lagosians to experience their city in a different light, devoid of the usual chaos and frenzy. Join me as I explore what happens to Lagos when the Igbos leave for Christmas. Can I find the city completely deserted? Welcome to Lagos, a city that's always bustling with energy and activity. But have you ever wondered what happens when a significant portion of its population leaves for Christmas? That's exactly what I'm here to find out. I'm curious to see how this massive exodus affects the city, and what it's like to explore Lagos when it's deserted. When Lagos is left with a much smaller population, it poses many challenges to the city's infrastructure and economy. For one, the streets are much emptier, and the traffic congestion that's notorious for Lagos becomes almost non-existent. This, in turn, affects the small business owners, who rely on the daily commuters for their livelihood. The local vendors and hawkers, who line the streets, are likely to take a significant hit as their customer base dwindles. Furthermore, the restaurants and shops that cater to the Igbos may temporarily close down or operate on reduced hours, causing a ripple effect on the local economy. The impact is not just limited to the economy. The community dynamics also undergo a significant change. The Igbos are a tight-knit community, and their absence can be felt in the neighborhoods they predominantly occupy. The streets that are usually filled with the sounds of laughter and chatter become quiet and deserted. The community centers and places of worship that are usually bustling with activity may temporarily close down or reduce their operations. All these changes can be overwhelming for those who stay behind as they try to adjust to the new, albeit temporary, reality. As the Igbos leave Lagos for Christmas, they take with them their unique culture, traditions, and customs. This means that the city, which is usually a melting pot of different cultures, loses a significant part of its identity, albeit temporarily. The absence of the Igbos is deeply felt as the city's rhythm and pulse slow down. However, this temporary change also presents an opportunity for those who stay behind to experience Lagos in a new and unique way. So, why do the Igbos leave Lagos in such large numbers during Christmas? For many, it's a time to reconnect with their roots and cultural heritage. Christmas is a sacred time for the Igbos, and they often return to their hometowns and villages to celebrate with their families and friends. It's a time to renew old bonds, strengthen family ties, and participate in age-old traditions and customs. For others, it may be an opportunity to escape the chaos and noise of the city and enjoy some peace and quiet in their rural homes. Whatever the reason, the Igbos' exodus from Lagos during Christmas is a significant event that affects the city in many ways. As I walk through the empty streets, I'm struck by the silence and the eerie feeling that pervades the city. It's as if Lagos is holding its breath, waiting for its residents to return. The usually bustling markets are now empty, with only a few vendors remaining. The restaurants and shops that are open seem to be operating on a skeleton crew, with only a handful of customers trickling in. It's a surreal experience, and one that I won't soon forget. As I stand here in the deserted streets of Lagos, I'm reminded of the saying that absence makes the heart grow fonder. The Igbo's absence has given me a new appreciation for the city and its rhythms. I've experienced Lagos in a way that I never thought possible, and it's been a truly eye-opening experience. So, that's what happens to Lagos when the Igbos leave for Christmas. It's a city transformed, one that's quiet, peaceful, and empty. But as the Igbos return, the city will once again spring back to life, pulsating with energy and activity. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you've experienced something similar, please share your story in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about holiday traditions in Nigeria, be sure to check out our next video.